Why are there not more people talking about the Hanged Man in tarot? This card is a game changer. The Hanged Man, card number 12 in the Major Arcana, is one of the most intriguing tarot cards. It depicts a man hanging upside down from a tree, but he's not in distress. Instead, he appears calm, even serene. This card represents letting go, surrender, and seeing things from a different perspective. When you draw the Hanged Man, the universe is asking you to pause and reflect. It's a call to look at your situation with fresh eyes and open mind. In love readings, the Hanged Man may signal the need for patience and understanding. In career readings, it might suggest a time to rethink your path or approach. And in spiritual readings, it encourages deep introspection and transformation. Remember, the Hanged Man isn't about suffering or sacrifice. It's about enlightenment through a change in perspective. So next time you see this card, embrace the pause. Sometimes the best way forward is to simply hang out and see things in a new light. Unlock the secrets of the Hanged Man and let your life flow with newfound wisdom.